In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a social media content calendar in Asana. By the end, you'll have a clean project ready to schedule posts, track timing, and keep your team aligned. First, open Asana and land on Home. This is your starting dashboard and makes it easy to jump anywhere. From the left sidebar, head to your team space. Choose the team where your marketing or social work lives so the right people have access. Next, hover over your workspace or team area and select Create Project. We're building this from scratch, so choose Blank Project. This gives you full control over how the calendar will look. Give your project a clear name, something like Social Media Content Calendar. Short, descriptive names are best. If you manage multiple brands or channels, consider adding a year or channel tag so it's instantly recognizable. Now, set the privacy. You can keep it public to the team so everyone sees upcoming posts, or make it private to a smaller group if drafts and approvals are sensitive. Pick what fits your workflow, then click Continue. Asana will now show recommended options. This is where you decide which views and pages your project will include. Enable Overview so you have a simple place for goals, key links, and your posting guidelines. Add lists to manage content ideas and tasks in a straightforward, sortable layout. You'll also see other popular options appear here. Be sure to include Timeline, which is Asana's Gantt style view. It helps you visualize dependencies like when creative needs to be finished before copy or approvals. And most importantly for this workflow, add Calendar. Calendar is where your posts come to life on actual dates, making gaps and clusters easy to spot at a glance. Once those views are selected, click Create Project. Asana spins up the space instantly with the views you chose, ready for you to populate with campaigns, posts, and due dates. The calendar view will display scheduled items by day, and the timeline will show how work spans across time, so planning stays clear and conflicts are easy to spot. That's it. You navigated to your team, created a blank project, named it clearly, set the right privacy, used Asana's recommendations to add overview, list, timeline, and calendar, and finalized the setup. You now have a dedicated home for your social media schedule that's easy to maintain and simple for collaborators to follow.